All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to stretch out your lats and your QL muscle in your lower back area using a modified child's pose. So what you're going to need is a soft surface. You're going to get down onto that soft surface in a kneeling position. You're going to bring both hands off to one side, the same side. Then you're going to sit your back onto your heels until you feel a stretch that goes from your arm into your lower back. Once you have that, you breathe nice and deep for 30 seconds or more. You feel that nice stretch. Then you come out of it. You switch to the other side. You hold and breathe for another 30 to 60 seconds, feeling that stretch from your armpit into your lower back. And then you'll have just stretch out your lat and your QL muscles.